Hey guys, welcome to Odd Moments. My name is Michaela, and today is just gonna be little snippets of clips of me and my family going to Ocean City. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
I was thirsty.
We're in Ocean City now. We just went to Wawa's. We should be heading over to see my god brother play a basketball game, and then later head to the beach. Let's go to the beach each.
Make it sure.
currently back at the hotel from a couple hours at the beach. I didn't go in the water, but I did read this like cool book, and it's so crazy. Oh my god, let me show you. So I was reading, yeah, I didn't get to finish it. I hope I get to finish it, but right now we're going to be taking our showers and then going out to eat at an, what is it? All you can eat crab place. So that should be fun. This is what our room looks like. This is my stuff. It's quite small. You know, I haven't even like looked outside for the view. This is the view.
Orlism may change your periods, making it hard to know if
Cute.
you're pregnant. It does not prevent pregnancy. Use birth control that does not contain hormones. Orlism may cause suicidal.
I've definitely gotten an extreme tan, but the thing is, like, I was laying in my on the chair halfway with half my body showing for like a really long time. So I think that half my face, like this half, is darker than this half. It might not be, but that's what it. You know what? I think it is that Mom. One half is definitely darker than the other half. Can you see it? Like, look in the light. Come hither.
What's your forehead is light?
No, come here. Like, this half, like this cheek, is darker than this side. Can you see?
No.
Oh. I guess not. I know one side was definitely felt like it was roasting more than the other. But my arms are different. This arm is definitely darker than this arm. So, yeah. It's time to go home. I'm finally back home, and this little mini vacation, it was just a day trip, honestly. It was really fun. Now I'm just relaxing in my bed, and I'm about to watch some TV. And yeah, everything's pretty cool, and my camera's running out of battery. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.